Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to use AirPods as a microphone when shooting video on your iPhone. In iOS you can use your compatible AirPods as a wireless microphone with compatible camera apps on your iPhone. Essentially, your AirPods become a lapel-style mic, providing high-quality audio while giving you the freedom to move around during recording. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to put your AirPods in your ears and ensure that they are perfectly connected to your iPhone. And then you have to launch the camera app on your iOS device. Then you have to switch to the video mode. After that, you have to open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Then you have to tap on the camera controls option at the top. And under the audio and video section, tap on the input option and select your AirPods from the list and you're all set. You might also see same as system as an option. It's worth pointing out that from the camera control screen, you can select the microphone mode that best fits your recording environment. There you have multiple options to choose from. Automatic, your device selects the optimal setting when you choose the automatic option. Standard, it allows you to set the default audio processing. Voice isolation, it allows you to minimize the background noise and emphasize speech. And then you have the wide spectrum option that allows you to capture a fuller range of ambient sounds. And once everything is perfectly set up, press the stem on your AirPods to start recording video. You now have hands-free control while your AirPods capture the audio. Just press the stem again to stop recording when finished, and that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily use the AirPods as microphone when shooting video on your iPhone. Now that you have unlocked this super cool feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.